You guys like my shirt? Nightclaw, teen slasher. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, it's gonna be pretty fun. I'm playing with magnets. No, I'm not playing. Nope, not playing with magnets.
Water, fire, air, and dirt. Fucking magnets. How do they work?
I am trying out some magnetic eyeliner. A year later. I'm a year late. Okay, fine. Whatever. Stick around. This hair, still no haircut. Poor me. Okay, so it's no secret that I love lashes. Magnetic eyelashes are not necessarily new to anyone. I'm late to the party. So in today's video, I finally am gonna try out some magnetic lashes. My best friend probably, oh gosh, at least a year ago, she sent me these. This is like at the start of the magnetic lashes trend, right? It's like a sandwich, okay? And I was gonna film with these at the time that she sent them, and I probably should have, because it just would have been comedy gold. Because it was tragic. It was really bad. So the way that these work, 2 strips per eyelash. So they sandwich your lashes. This magnet on this lash sticks to this magnet on this lash, and it just holds on. And you don't need any glue at all, which is attractive. But when I attempted to use these, no. Oh God. Well, first of all, they didn't work. And second, the magnets, right? On these particular ones, I think she got these from Amazon. Correct me if I'm wrong, Kelly. But the magnets are only on either side. There's no magnets like along the edge. So they just kind of bunch, shift around. It's tragic. I know that Kate from Kate the Great Beauty has used this style of lash before, not necessarily that exact brand, but she used some that were only like the outer edges and she really loved them. But I don't love just the outer edges look for me because I don't know, it's just not my preference. 10 minutes into the video and I haven't even shown you what I'm gonna use today. Look what I found at the drugstore. Magnetic eyeliner and magnetic lashes. So this is a kit from Kiss. I picked this up at Walgreens, yeah. So there are 5 magnets according to this little diagram, and you can see them on there. So the lashes just look kind of like Ardell Wispies, but the idea is you apply the eyeliner as usual in whatever style that you like, and then the magnets stick to the magnetic liner. It's an aircraft carrier cruising down the effing street. Why is it so loud? This says that it's a new product. So I have seen the, the liner / glue combo. I've seen the magnetic lashes where it's, the sandwich kind of idea, but I've not seen a kit at the drugstore that is the liner and the lashes together. So I forget how much I paid for this. I will link it down below, don't worry. Kiss also makes different styles of lash. They have ones that are maybe a little bit more glam. It says that the magnetic eyeliner freely swap between the other Kiss double strength magnetic lashes depending on the occasion. So what I'm really curious about is how is this gonna dry? Like, what's the finish gonna look like? Is it gonna be shiny? Is it gonna be matte? Is it gonna be crumbly? We're gonna see today. Step 1, line with Kiss magnetic eyeliner along the lash line. Wait until formula is dry. Step 2, lash right onto the applied eyeliner. Easy. Slide the lashes off the tray, do not pull. Okay, reapply 2 to 3 more coats for maximized strength. Okay, we're gonna get maximized. I'm a little worried about the lash band size. Most times I have to trim my lash bands. I wanna lay this on my eye and kind of see size-wise. Oh, cute! You see the little black mark? That's a magnet. Cute! I feel like they're gonna be a little long. I guess we'll see, man. On with the liner, I guess. Sounds really liquidy. Okay, all right, it's very liquidy. It's a brush tip, easy peasy. Okay, I'm scared. So I feel like I wanna probably do maybe a thicker line. I mean, not anything too crazy, but I just wanna make sure that there's enough surface area for that little magnet to hang on to. Give it the best chance. Attempt a wing. Oh, the hooded eye struggle. So real. Let that dry. Okay, we're working with 2 different wing shapes. because we like variety. One side looks pretty good. This side, I don't know what's happening. My aging eye, especially on this side, is definitely giving me a hard time today, but I have the liner on and I made sure to really saturate the area. It's getting a little thick, I guess, in the wing area, but hopefully the flare of lash will maybe conceal some of that. So while this is drying, I will say that the applicator is really nice and it goes on really easy. It's not one of those textures of liquid where it kind of like crumbles as it dries. You know, like when you're trying to fill in the blanks and you're just making a mess. This is very buildable, so bonus. Okay. I don't know if I can use tweezers on these lashes or if they're gonna stick to the tweezers. Why is every tool that I have metal? I need one of those plastic lash applier things. I don't have one. Okay, lightest mascara. I don't know if I have a light mascara, but I could just apply it lightly. I'm really just trying to put on like the lightest coat of mascara in history. Look at all those blonde roots. Ugh, my struggle. Okay, so I just want to make sure that the liner is completely dry, so I'm just gonna tap it with my finger. That was already smudged. I smudged it with my great application. Okay, we're dry. This is exciting. Oh my gosh. I need a tiny mirror. How about this one? Is that tiny enough? So if this works out, this is really gonna be a game changer for me because although I love to wear lashes, I'm maybe a little lazy in my removal. The glue, sometimes it can pull my lashes out. Here we go. Oh my gosh. I'm removing the lashes from the card. I'm gonna try to hold them with the tweezer, but not get too close to the little magnets. Here we go. Oh no. Oh no. Tweezers. What? It's on there.
Freak out over some magnets. You know what I mean?
I can say that a heavy liner is going to be the key for this because upon closer inspection, they're not super close to the lash line. So you really need to make sure that that line is there. It doesn't have to necessarily be like a cat eye, but it has to be pretty thick. And if you have blonde lashes or just like not very dark lashes, you need to make sure that you have mascara on first because I don't know how you would put mascara on after. You guys, look at them. They're so cute. If you have a latex allergy or super duper sensitive eyes to adhesives and all that, this is it. This is the answer. Okay, they are adjustable. So this one on this corner, because it's so gummed up over here, it kept kind of like sticking to like higher up on the wing. So I just tugged on it until the magnet let go and then just put it back maybe a little bit lower. Look at there. Whoa, 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 whoa. I did see Raw Beauty Christy tested some kind of magnetic lash situation and she used like a hairdryer. That's not powerful. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I just pulled the inner corner off and I'm gonna try to reposition it. Be careful, it sticks for the same reason. So I could feel the magnet and it was maybe irritating my eye a little bit, so I just wanted to reposition it. Super easy. I just tugged it off. It didn't disturb the eyeliner at all and I just repositioned it. Now watch. I'm going to remove one. You know how like if you have lash glue on and you try to take your lashes off, it totally ruins that liner. You get like reverse liner, you know what I mean? Like a skin line where the glue comes up. Let's take these off and see. I'm just gonna use my fingers. Huh? What? Cannot even believe this. Oh my God. I'm gonna try to put it on with my fingers. I never do this, ever. What? I can put lashes on with my fingers now? What a time to be alive.
I think there's a lot of people like me that don't know how magnets work. And even if we do know how magnets work, they're still amazing.
So, the verdict is in. That turned out way better than I thought it was going to. You guys, I honestly thought it was gonna be a disaster. First of all, it totally works. This magnetic liner works. The applicator is really nice. It glides on, it has a really good color. It dried matte. I just have a wrinkly eye, so disregard this mess over here. But the lashes stick. 10 out of 10, would recommend. I love this. If you are curious about the magnetic eyeliner and lashes combo, get it and try it. You will not be disappointed. None of this sandwiching lashes together crap. I know that this was a specific video, but I wanted to take you through the entire kind of application process so you could see in real time how quickly they just go on. All right, I love it. I love it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I'm gonna go back and buy every freaking style they have. Every so often, come across some stuff that everybody else discovered before me, and then I decide that I am the one who found it first. Thank you for coming on this magnetic eyeliner and magnetic eyelashes journey with me today. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this one, then make sure you subscribe to this channel before you leave. You can also follow me on the other social channels. I upload new videos here on YouTube every Thursday, and that's it. I'm buying all of the magnetic lashes. Like I mentioned before, I will make sure to link these down in the description box along with all of the other products that are on my face in case you're interested, and I think that's it. I will catch you next week in next week's video. Bye! Alright, okay. How many times am I gonna say alright, okay? Let's shake it up. Does it say to shake it up? It's not glue. Poor me. Nope, focus on this. This fucking package. I'm ridiculous. Apparently, I live in the pit row of the Indy 500.
I don't know how magnets work.